Hello guys, this is Fire Tango Alexa here, and today we're going to go to Wolf Evolve. So, a different mod pack, and we made it up to level 2. We're going to level up to level 3, which is, I gotta admit, he looks pretty cool. That wolf does. So I'm going to go ahead, and we're going to just try to do what we can, but let me go ahead and see what's over here. Ooh, the wild. Well, that didn't take us too long. $300, we want to get more than that, actually. Oops. Let me try my new bite. Aha. Perfect. Oh, there's a den. How am I getting good with this? Is anyone else living in this den? I want to know. But I should take inspiration, because this is like something I need to do in the future. Like making videos and stuff for what I'm gonna do. So this will be an easy task. Ooh. Actually, let me go ahead and do that. I don't know what's the task. I forgot what the task is. Ooh, not good. Okay, so bite you get more the chance. Oh, who shot? Oh, it's you. I need to get out of here. I'm not safe. Okay. A 472. Let's see if that makes the cut. Because personally, I want to make sure I got all my power. Like the strongest werewolf there ever was. So, look at this bad boy right here. Okay. I think I went this way. Yeah, I did. Yeah. I remembered like it was yesterday. Okay. Such a lovely decor and everything. Okay, so let me see. Do I make the cut? Oh, and I tamed some wolves, so here's 1. Here's 2. Oh, right, the quest. So, we did these. We need to finish the rest. So, oh, we need a... Oh. Those were useful. Do I... Yes, I have that. I don't have what I'm looking for. Which means I need to save up 20 bones, 10 string, and that. I need to get some of the farm stuff. I need to get some of the wood stuff. Fishing, that wouldn't be a problem. And baking, yeah, so basically we're gonna be busy. And that's no problem, because we're probably gonna be staying busy for a while. Let's see. Ooh, very made dent. Well, it takes like that much points, so we're gonna be a-okay with that. And once I see what's behind here, that's the boss. I can see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're gonna be in our powerful pursuit. We're gonna be very strong. powerful. Basically, we're gonna need a lot of chance. Apparently, we're gonna need lots of materials. Can I come in, see if you have any? No, you don't, but you do live with a stable, good home life. I'm gonna see if I can start making myself stronger. And to do that, we're gonna need to... We're gonna need to survive, so... Okay. Oh, let me try and get this guy. Okay, yeah, I got him. Mad now. Let me see if I can... Hi. Perfect. We can start fishing. And we get fish. Perfect. Definitely what we need to finish our fishing boutique. Level 3 and 4, we still have not completed that. Oh, hi there, farmer. You know what? What's this? No way. Do we get armor in this? Yes, we do get armor. So we're going to need to make sure we're at our strongest. So hopefully we're able to get their shot. Get the high ground. You wanna... That's good. I would like to go to the... let me see. Oh yes, we're definitely gonna need some bones. And arrows. We're definitely gonna need to do lots of that. Oh, perfect. So what I'm gonna do is just grinding. Coins. Basically just try my best to make sure I do this right. Don't wanna mess up. Okay. I lost my companion, my first friend, but he'll be fine. He'll be fine. He can survive. Hello? You know what? Here we go. This should work. Just in case. I do need that. More importantly, why am I just going... Ow. That didn't take us... Tropical fish. Wait, I can use the bite on them. Oh, they're that sneaky. Oh, they cost a coin. That's fine. Do we need to prepare? Whoa, that was loud. Ooh, this has monsters. Why didn't I not jump? Right moment. Wait, did jump from gunpowder? Yes. We do need that. Okay. Not to worry now. With my bite, I'm able to get it, and with my sword attack. Hehe. There you go. Oh no, I don't like that. I don't like that. Sensors draw the attention, I'd rather not. Draw attention. You know what? I'm prepared. Ooh. I gotta admit, that skeleton is the archer. That did not go well with my plans. Get the kid, get the kid, get the kid, get the kid. Oh my goodness. I was not prepared for that. You know what? I'm safer over here. Okay. Well, it seems like it's going through there, but I'm not sure where specifically, and I'm not planning on the warden. This is not about warden. Okay. But this is a good mod spot, so I am not complaining. Oh, two spotted me. Oh, that is not funny. I'm gonna get rid of the archer. Oh, I do need spiders. Webs. Okay. Oh, I do need that. Do need that. I'm like the strongest right now. But I shouldn't be... I shouldn't... Okay. Oh, that was good. Attack. Okay, I got like 3 hearts. 3 pup hearts. Ah! Okay. Not bad, I actually... How... Today got good, and yet... Clearly not. Okay. Gotta... make sure I stay... Ah! Oh, guys, you're seeing me in tough shape now. I actually did good. I'm proud of myself. I'm surviving. Than I should be. Then again, I do have the strong bite, so... I shouldn't be into the bushes yet. This is like training. Like, I need to survive. Use my own wits and all. How did it? Oh my goodness, I made 12 gunpowder. How did I do that? I will never know. Okay. Okay. I do need the gunpowder, so I am happy for the creepers. Show up even though this is gonna be difficult. I want to see how much I got. Teleport home. Not bad. Okay, so I am aiming for the right. This, I guess it took the string. I just need 20 bones, and I do have gunpowder. Is there anything else I can use for gunpowder? No. Just need 20 bones, huh? That can be... Or no, none of them picked up the string. Did I not pick up string? Oh well. But this is all part, so I am very excited for this. What do I get? Okay. Oh, this counts down my level right here. Didn't it? So, if I'm able to reach to here, which is going to be extremely long time, I'm probably going to need little more help. So let's just hope I left some stuff in here. No, I did not. Come on. must be one fool to leave stuff, not realizing that they're useful. You know what? I can go to the... You know what? This is perfect. Okay. I'll just wait till... Ooh, there's 2 in there. You know, I'm gonna go for it. What the? How did one die? No, I'm gonna get out of here. Get out. Oh, hi! You know what? I'm so sorry to... I'll leave you to live. Got separated from the group, but that's fine. You know what? I need the spider. That's perfect. No! I don't have the string that I wanted. I must be out of my own mind if I don't even know where I left it. Ooh. Hi. Did you... Oh! I actually do need that. Perfect. A. Hey. Arrows? Don't worry, I got you. Oh. I tried. You saw. Does that have like anything else? I love the architect. Strings. I was looking for that. I needed strings so badly. Really? I do need birds, so I'm gonna come back here. Leave that villager alone. Then again, I do need this spider. But I do need a lot more. I need to keep searching. String. Oh. Did not bad job. There you go, I saved you guys. You're in debt to the pack. Okay, I think I got a lot. So I better go ahead and go back. Here we go. A quest completed. I got 2 new shards. Okay, and ooh, I need more, huh? Well, where's my fish? Oh, okay, that's complete. I need that. Okay. And oh, that's more in the village. Don't worry, guys. Let me take a look at the number. I was right. That does the countdown. Okay. Now I know that's the countdown, I can just instably try and get more fish. Or I need steel fish. I think I need still more fish. I feel like I've already gone to this place and I'm like double checking. It's not good. Oh, I didn't go this one. What's in here? That's nothing. Okay, so I need to make sure I delivered that. Let me see if I left some salmon up there. I really want to complete the task. At least 2 task quests. Please say there's a task. Here it is. Okay. 9. I just need 10. I can just fish it. Yeah, I can just fish it. Okay. Come on. Oh, melee. Not what I wanted, but okay. Okay. Where is it? Okay. Perfect. Just enough time. Okay. Pretty sure I did a good job with the quest. I'm getting the shards done. I do need is, well, for one thing, I need to get more pack members. 5? Oh, that means we can make... Oh, we can make the wolf spear shard or this. But we are need to upgrade to... Oh, we can upgrade that. Power bow. Omega bow. You know what? I'm gonna try this but we're gonna upgrade our sword attack. So, yes. Our own lucky sword. And pack members. That's one thing we're gonna have to do before, and we're gonna build our army and see who follow the allegiance to the Alpha. So if I were to be the greatest Alpha, I will get it done. And the thing is, you get this, you get mobs, and the dragon, you get this, and plus a key, which I would have definitely want to do this. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. If you guys like it, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Okay.